All right, we're back to it. Steering wheel installation. As I said, we got the T04, the hub, the horn, the steering wheel. So I wasn't able to post last night due to family events, but I went ahead and got a head start on this. I broke the steering wheel free already. So let's get it done. All right, so we're gonna remove the horn or the cover, the horn. As I said, I already broke all this free already with an impact. We got our nut right here. Just keep it. And we're gonna, there we go. All right, so this wasn't easy to come off. We had to hit it with the hammer to get it off, and then you got a bunch of grime in there that you probably, I don't know, depending on who you are, if you want it clean or not, but I'm gonna have my photographer, my videographer person clean it up, and then we'll go ahead and install it. So get to work. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, so don't forget to remove the ground wire from your original steering wheel. All right, so here's the ground wire, put that up there. And this one will keep just in case. Pull that off for this style horn.
Where are the screws?
We need screws for this?
What do you think? Look.
No way.
What do you think? There's a whole bunch of little hole things.
For real?
Well, I would think.
Okay. So I'm not the greatest at this, but we will make it work right now.
Are those the screws?
Yes,
I told you they're screws.
Yes, ma'am. You didn't clean the truck good.
I did clean
the trash.
You just threw it on the ground.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I wouldn't do that to you.
Yeah, you just did. Oh my gosh, ask for help? Oh my gosh. Jeez, you're trying to do everything and you can't even hold the box and then hold the steering wheel and then...
Well, YouTube makes me nervous.
Well, don't be nervous.
Why?
Because... Oh my gosh, this seat. I cleaned it too good.
Yeah?
I cleaned it.
Slippery?
Yeah, I can't even like steal it here.
Okay. Let's see here.
I'd put the wire in, then I'd put the screw in, then I'd put the screw in the steering wheel.
Maybe you should do it.
I probably could.
Wow. Damn it. Okay, so I don't know about the ground wire. I mean, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Obviously, I'm not too smart, but yeah, that doesn't work. So I don't know how we'll ground it. We'll figure out a way. All right, so pull that out. Put this on.
What you should have done is put the screw in that, then put the screw in that, and then tighten the screw to the bottom one.
You're actually very right about that. Like that?
Yeah, and then you just tighten it.
And always finger tighten, so you don't strip them. Okay, you just stop recording. All right, we got it on. We got the, this one I was confused about because I didn't realize this part does come off. But obviously, the dumbass I am, my wife figured it out. So it just pops off. It's got a, what is it, a washer or I don't know what. The only thing I can't figure out is the horn. The top is the ground and the bottom is the positive, but it doesn't work, but no big deal. We still got the air horn. Well, I have no air in my truck right now. So we got the Allen screws in. We got 5 in. It's held down, but we got to put the nut in. So where is that nut? Where did I put it? No, not that one, love. I had it.
You losing stuff all the
I
time.
lost it. I know, I lose everything. I'm a truck driver. Here it is. So this is the new one. This is the factory. But we're going to go ahead and use the new one. We're going to hand tighten it. Oh.
Ready, tighten, lefty, loosey.
Thank you. Okay, we're going to hand tighten it. And then we're going to zap it in with the impact. All right, so let's see here. My good neighbor, let me borrow this impact. I want to go ahead and... Don't tell me it's not the right size. No, it's not. Shit. Alright guys, we've got a little problem here, but let's see, where's the other one? This one right here should be the same. Alright, so we got another issue here. Maybe we'll have to take this one off and use the original. The problem is, if we use a factory one, the horn cover ain't gonna go on. So let's see what I'm doing wrong here. Oh, it does work. Sorry guys. Hey, this is a real channel. This ain't scripted, this ain't bullshit. This is, oh, I know what it is. I think that's too big. So look out for that situation. I will figure it out, but at the end of the day, the wheel's on. Looks great. Looks nice.
Is it drivable?
Don't know what's going on with the ground, the positive, but we'll make it work. We'll figure something out. Is it drivable? It might be.
You know, so you gotta test it.
It might be.
Next thing you know, you can't turn.
Yeah, it's too big. Shit.
They don't have a smaller size or something?